Hello guys, so I want you to journal with me. Okay, so just take paper and pen and I will give you two questions, which is I want you to be honest the answer the question. Okay, so the first question is, what's your mother did to you that you will never do to your future kids? That's the first question. The second question is, what's your father did to you that you will never do to your future kids? So there is two questions and I want you to answer those questions. Tell the truth, be honest with yourself, write everything, every points that you feel that your mother and your father did to you but you don't want and you will never do to your future kids, because this one it's like releasing from your side. So I want you write that one, okay? And if you already have kids, you also can do it, like recall memories again. Same question, but the other thing is, after you answer the question, I want you to introspection yourself. I means after you writing whatever you feel that your mother and your father did to you that you will never do your kids, then you do introspection, like, did I do this one to my kids or no? Because sometimes parents thinks they give birth for the kids, so the parents thinks that the kids always and have to be always follow them. That's the problem, because some parents, I didn't tell all parents, because some parents they thinks that the A is best option, so you must follow me because you are my kids. They didn't think that the kids have their own choice, the kid has their own preference, like that. So it's not good for the kids mental, the kids emotion, because you have to think that if your kids follow what you want, there is two reason. The first reason, because they are scared with you. The second reason, because they don't want to hurt you. That's the reason. So if you force them to follow you, it will pressure their emotional being, okay, and also it will be like bad memories for them. Like, for example, the kids want to play football but you want them to play basketball, so you register them to basketball class, everything. Okay, they follow, but they are not happy. Their follow, it's like their obligation as your kids, but it's not good for their future. It's not good for their mental, and it's not good because they cannot express. So they will not express themselves openly with you, and also they cannot be your friends, because good parents is the person who can be friends with their kids. So it's not only be parents, mother, father, but it should be friends. So whatever your kids feel, they can express to you, you can listen to them, then you can give advice. But again, if you give advice, it doesn't mean they need to follow you like that. So another thing is the cases that so many people do. Example, they choose the husband or the wife for their kids, which is it's not good also for them, because many marriage that the parents arrange, one of them will be cheated on the other partner. So it's not good for the partner, and also it's not good for their what I want to say, for their feelings. Yeah, so it will be their trauma, and their trauma, it will be forever in their mind. So what I want to do now today in this video, just answer those two questions. Be honest. Okay, so after you answer those questions, like the first one, I repeat again. What's your mother did to you that you will never do to your future kids? The second question is, what's your father did to you that you will never do to your future kids? So answer those questions openly, honestly. Then after you answer those questions, I want you to hold the paper, close your eyes, and put the paper in your heart, and you say, I, your name, releasing this feeling with gratitude and kindness. After that, you throw the you throw, or you can burn it, then throw it outside of your home, not in your home but outside your home. So it's like you releasing those negative feeling that you suppress it, that you cannot express. You releasing all of those feeling. So this is one of good practice to heal your trauma from your mother and your father. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.